Howdy. Welcome to Easy Content Manager. In this video, we'll show you how the Bookmark Add-on works in Easy Content Manager. Go to your WordPress dashboard, Easy Content Manager Add-ons. Find the Bookmark Add-on in the list and toggle it on to activate. After activation, the bookmark settings and shortcode options will become available. A bookmark section will now appear under the Add-ons menu. Clicking on it will take you to the Manage Bookmark Settings page. Enable specific post types. This option allows you to enable the bookmark feature only for selected post types instead of all available ones. Simply toggle Enable specific post types. Choose your desired post types, such as posts, pages, courses, or any custom post type. All bookmark shortcodes. The Bookmark Add-on uses shortcodes to display bookmark features anywhere on your website. You can place these shortcodes in WordPress Editor, Gutenberg or Classic, page builders, Elementor, Divi, etc., widgets, templates. No extra coding or configuration is required. Displays a button that allows users to bookmark the current content. The button automatically detects the current post or item. And that's how the Bookmark Add-on works in Easy Content Manager. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.